What up guys, welcome back to 88-Bit Tech. I'm AJ and today we are building a PC for a friend. He is a professional poker player who plays online poker as well, and that's mainly what he's going to be using his PC for. He was originally recommended a PC that had a 4000 series graphics card in it. He is not a gamer, and that was definitely overkill for him. That original setup was going to cost him $1,800, and that is way overkill for what he needs. I looked at some of the programs he's going to be using, and the minimum requirement for them was a GTX 960. So you can definitely get away with a cheaper graphics card, especially since he is not a gamer. He doesn't do any PC gaming at all and doesn't plan to either. So I built a PC for him that actually makes sense at a fraction of the cost. Since this is a build for a friend of mine, I'm not going to get too sweaty into the specs. This is more so just going to be an aesthetic PC building video. So without further ado, please enjoy the build. Okay guys, the video or the PC is done. Let's hope it works. Come on. Oh, okay. There we go. And the switch is on now, so let's go. Hey! CPU light. No, we're good. Gonna post. Nice. But we're not getting a post. What is the light here? Debugging light says VGA. Yes! We have a post, guys! We have a freaking post! Woo! Oh, yeah! Sweet! First go! Awesome! So that's my friend's PC build finished. I do want to do a mini review on the PC case I used for his build because I think it's an exceptional value. This micro ATX case is the Azza Noir. So it's AZZA or AZZA that I got off of MSY for 25 US dollars or 40 Australian dollars on sale. This is an exceptional value, especially if you live nearby. You can just do click and collect and you don't have to pay shipping. But this case had more features than I thought it did before I bought it. So it comes with two pre-installed RGB fans. They're non-addressable. There's an intake and an exhaust fan that is plugged into an included fan hub that has the RGB attached to it as well, and it's powered by SATA. So long as your PSU has a SATA connector, you'll be good to go for that. It's not addressable, but it does have an LED switch instead of a reset, so you can cycle between a load of different options on there. Bunch of solid colors, or you can shut it off entirely. Got rainbow, solid color cycling, just another variation or speed. And this is breathe. Yep, so it's got breathing. Back to solid colors again. Yep. It's got a headphone jack on there, a microphone jack, two USB 2.0 jacks, and one USB 3.0. There is a punch-out tab to add another USB. On here it lists USB 3.1, but honestly you can put whatever you want in there. You can put USB 3.2 or even a USB-C if your motherboard supports that. This micro ATX case has more than enough room to work in. Had no issues at all. In fact, it supports up to a 300 millimeter graphics card, which is really good. So just to put it into perspective, my micro ATX case that I have as my main computer from Antec only supports up to 277 millimeters, so I'm kind of limited in what kind of form factor I can use. But with this one, you've got way more options. More than enough room to add an AIO if you wanted to on the front here, and it does have top mount fan mount brackets in here, so you can put even more fans at the top if you wanted to. Yeah, plenty of options there. Includes a hard drive cage that I had pulled out just because I'm not using it. I'm just storing the cable management down there. But yeah, super good value. Glass panel on the front here. If you're looking for a micro ATX case, definitely check out MSY or Umart. This is not sponsored, but if you can get this on sale, you're going to be hard pressed to find a better deal out there. This is going to be better than some of the used stuff that's out there too. Yeah, cool. Well, if you like the video, please like the video. If you want to subscribe, you can click on my face over here to see more videos that I put out in the future. And if you want to watch more of my videos, I got two links here for you to check out. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.